Can we go this way? Let's go. I also finished the baby blanket I was working on, and it's woven in and everything. Yeah, it turned out so cute, and it's so soft and squishy. Yeah, I'm so excited. Alright, this is how it's looking. Just did the first color change, and I'm gonna do about an inch in the orange that's still on the neckline before I start with the increases for the body. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. Alright, the world's ugliest sweater, well, maybe not, but it's up there, is done, finally. But it's soft. It's soft and it's squishy. And I like the colors on their own. Not together. Okay, so row 13, we did 7 half double crochets. And so for row 14, I'm gonna do, instead of going up to 8, I'm gonna stay with 7 to try and get like a smoother transition here. And I think I'm just gonna go until I run out of this yarn. Hopefully that's not in the middle of the row, but if it is, hopefully it's on a odd, not an even, because I have a thing about odd numbers. But yeah, that's the plan. Okay, this is how it turned out. I actually ended up with 15 rows, and then I did just scallops and a scallop on that end. But yeah, I think it turned out cute, and I like the size of it pretty good. So yeah, I might make another one like this. I might do a different pattern. I don't know yet. Alright, so this is the baby blanket I'm currently working on. I've got about half of it done. I love the colors in it. It's so pretty. And I've got 2.5, 3 weeks until it needs to be done. So I've got to get working on it. It's just a looser stick. Okay. Goodness, every time I turn on the camera, I have no idea what I'm gonna say. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep listening to my book and work on this for a little bit. Okay, so I got about that much done yesterday. I could have probably gotten more, but I also was working on a bunch of different things. There still needs quite a bit done, but not too bad. It's about 3 inches. Yeah. Okay. This is the book I'm reading right now. One of the many. Physical anyway. I'm about that far into it. It's really good. I'm just in a reading slump, so it's taking me a while. But thrift books is where I get most of my books. They're awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna try and see, today's Monday,
I'm gonna try and see if I can finish it by Saturday. So that's kind of a lot, but I need less clutter, and getting rid of books off of my TBR will do that. So. Also, guess what? I forgot to film again. The sheeping. Yay!